We had so much fun and the hosts are very considerate and approachable since we get lost going there. They really assist us despite the language barrier. They took wonderful pictures and bring you to wonderful spots. My son enjoyed so much. Red heart emoji, though it's a bit rainy yet we still enjoy. Super worth the buy. A must-have when you visit Busan. We were provided a nice cafe to stay at while we waited for the tour to begin, which was good. The overall ride was smooth, and because it was a nighttime of fear, it was so much pretty and they took good pictures. I made a reservation for sunset at around 6:30 p.m. Unfortunately, it was cloudy, but the clouds cleared and I was able to enjoy a beautiful sunset. As I got closer to the photo spot, the staff called out to me, livening up the atmosphere, and I was able to take some great photos. It seems that soft drinks were available, but they were not active. I had trouble in locating the yacht port, but the crew contact is very responsive to my queries. The yacht team is great as well. They are very helpful and accommodating. I love the view at night. Very helpful tour guide, enjoyable trip and beautiful view. We were actually too late to join the tour, but we were still allowed to join in the next schedule. Thank you so much. This trip was great. Beautiful views of the skyline, bay and bridge. The fireworks from all the boats were a great bonus. Price was very reasonable and worth it. Highly recommended. Wow, the best experience I've ever had. It was entertaining, funny, and super nice. I just found it difficult to find the location and was almost late. I would recommend it to everyone. Such an unforgettable experience and one that everyone should book whilst in Busan. I booked on the 17 p.m. tour as this was around the time the sun was due to set, and it did not disappoint. The views that I got to experience were exceptional and the staff on the boat were so much fun, and the staff were so friendly and accommodating as we were the only ones who spoke English, so they made sure we understood everything. Nice crew, a new perspective from water to see Busan. Fireworks and music. We had fun. Cool ride, pleasant and safe, small animation and music, young people on board, saluting face emoji, celebratory hands in the air emoji. It was a cool experience, nice crew. But for the next time please speak English too, only Korean. Smile. The view was amazing. I really liked it. It wasn't difficult to find the place and the people were very friendly. We booked 2 days before and so happened it was raining the whole day. No cancellation, but we were all soaked. It was great experience. The whole duration took us less than 1 hour. A memorable experience. Watching the fireworks light up the night sky over the ocean was absolutely stunning. The yacht was clean, comfortable, and very well maintained. What truly stood out was the incredibly friendly and professional staff. They were welcoming, attentive, and made the whole experience feel special. Highly recommend for a magical great tour. Our guide was lively and friendly. Fireworks were a nice touch. The cruise trip allows you to watch the sunset and there will be a fireworks display. The cruise company thoughtfully provides blankets to prevent customers from feeling cold. In addition, staff also took the initiative to help tourists take photos. This is an activity worth experiencing. Of course, it also requires luck. The waves are smooth and the weather is good. There is also a handsome man driving a yacht and enjoying the cool sea breeze. It is a romance that must be experienced in person. The tour was superb. Staff are helpful on taking photos and spots. It's not English friendly though, since all the instructions are given in Korean only.